Congratulations, Thika High School, on this great achievement and celebration of 70 years. Asanteni sana.
And as I say this, please, the students can be coming forward. Your Excellency, the school had a mean grade of 8.2. They had a whooping 31 A- students and 6 with A plain. So if they can be coming, please, the students, so that we can award them. Today, they are going to be awarded with a laptop each for their hard work. And I'm sure that will be inspiration for other students. Si tutawapigia makofi vizuri. Tukijua ya kwamba pia sisi siku yetu itafika. Where are the students? Delton Ayande is the first one. Let's give him a round of applause as he is coming. That's Delton Ayande. He had an A with 83 points. Makofi kwake tafadhali. We also had Gashau Michael Mwangi, who had 82 points, a straight A with 82 points. Makofi kwa Gashua Michael Mwangi. We also had Stephen Mwangi, who also had a straight A with 82 points. Makofi ya Stephen Mwangi. We had Mage Leon Gitao, 81 points, a straight A with 81 points. Then we had Mwariri Derek Njoroge with 81 points, a straight A again with 81 points. And last, and by no means the least, Runo Trevor Gitare with 81 points. I'll also request that Terence come and present a trophy to His Excellency. We have a trophy to be presented to you by Terence, the chair of the school council. Terence, where are you? Terence, Your Excellency, this is a trophy from the school, and Terence will present it to you. And together the sculpture celebrates wisdom, culture, mentorship, excellence, and promise for future generations. There are two people there on that sculpture. There is an elder who is symbolizing wisdom, guidance, and values passed from one generation to another. You have the child who represents learning, hope, and future. Makofi tafadhali kwao. We also have a second gift for you, Your Excellency, which is the blazer for the school.